Here's a quick and easy chow mein recipe. Let's see how it's made. In a large pot, bring water to boil. Once the water is boiling, we are going to add our chow mein. These are fresh noodles. They're already steamed, so we're just going to cook them for 5 minutes. The list of ingredients and the recipe will be listed down below, so don't forget to check that out. Drain the noodles after 5 minutes. In the same pot, heat olive oil. Add your already cut tofu slices and sauté them for a few minutes. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Once the tofu has been cooking for about 5 minutes, take it out. Add a tiny bit of more oil and add your diced onions, mushrooms, and red and yellow bell pepper. Sauté for a few more minutes. You can add any kind of veggies you like. Now I am adding snap peas. Once the veggies have been cooking for about 5 minutes, add your tofu and give it a good mix. At this point, we are going to season the veggies with 1 tablespoon of MSG. Now in a small bowl, add all the liquid ingredients and mix everything together. Now add the steamed noodles to the veggie mixture. Now add the sauce and toss everything together. To add a little bit of heat, add chili flakes. Add sesame seeds. Top it off with bean sprouts and mix. And your chow mein is ready to serve. Garnish with more bean sprouts, chili flakes, and sesame seeds. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.